Alright, so here with Reggie, we're gonna put together a little flight video with some flybar blades and some flybarless blades, just so people know what the main difference is between the two.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to notice is Edge Flybarless blades are going to be more stable around center. So doing maneuvers like this, it's not going to be as reactive around center. Which in terms can be a little bit more stable when you're flying. It's a very, very stable and big flight. Transitions are well.
Would you make any adjustments to your helicopter itself if you changed from one blade to the other?
No, I wouldn't. Unless you don't like the feeling of flybarless blades or flybar, I mean, and you would add a tad more expo and perhaps lower the agility setting a little bit. As you can hear, these do take a little bit of power to push them around a bit, so if you have weaker batteries or a weak motor, flybar blades might be a better option for you because they require less power to be smacked around, you know?
And now we're going to do a similar flight with flybar blades, and Reggie's going to kind of tell you the differences that he feels while he's flying.
Okay guys, we're here with the Edge Flybar blades. They're 693s. First off, I'm going to show you high head speed. A lot snappier, a lot faster roll rate around center. This one rolls a lot faster. If you have a smackdown flying style, these are a lot better for it. You can see Flanking is a lot more sensitive and poppy with these blades. And they load up the head a little bit less. And they still track great. A little sensitive around here, a little bit more sensitive than the Flybarless blades, but still very, very well. So you can see that really shine with this type of flying. Very low to the ground, fast stick movements.
Make any adjustments to the V-bar at all?
No adjustments.
Same exact setup, different way.
See, direction changes a lot faster when you're at high speed. See, very, very snappy. I have read some stuff online saying that these blades are actually hotter, but I'm actually own two 700Es. One just been running Flybarless blades from day one. This one has been running Flybar blades actually since I got it. And the server wear is actually pretty equal. Not noticing any abnormal swap or anything like that. It flies great. be able to tell that from the other flight that it still has a lot more power towards the end of the flight. So these blades give you a pretty big amount because the power system isn't quite up to the top as of heavier Flybarless blades.
That's a good point. So you're noticing more power at the end of your flight?
Yep. Quick auto with these, since they're a lot lighter, you have to come down quite fast to
keep them spinning?
Yep. Less hang time at the end, but they're still auto great, so yeah, don't be afraid to try Flybar blades on the Flybarless helicopter, because it's absolutely amazing. No performance decrease, it's all preference, so yeah, have fun with it.